What if I told you that from today you are going to get a trading assistant who will do the chart analysis for you, who will build indicator for you, who will build a strategy for you, he will do back testing for you, he will do all trading related work and he will never get tired. He will work 24 into 7 and moreover he will never ask you for salary, he will work for free. How amazing it would be. And that trading assistant name is AI, artificial intelligence. AI is the biggest thing happened to humankind since the inception of internet. So in this video I am going to discuss how big institute, big traders, they are taking the help of AI for their trading. So not only institute, even retail traders like you and me also can take the help of AI in our trading. So in this video I am going to discuss about 5 important features of AI which a trader can take help of. And the first feature I am going to discuss about how you can do the analysis of the chart. Second thing I'm going to discuss about the how to build your own indicators. Now you can have your own indicator in TradingView without any coding knowledge. Even I don't have any coding knowledge, but now I can have my own indicators without coding knowledge because now AI can do it for you. And the third thing I'm going to discuss about the building a strategy. So how you can automatically build a strategy and you can upload in TradingView so that it can help you during the live market. And the fourth thing I'm going to discuss about the analyzing your strategy. Suppose you have a strategy and you want to know how good or bad that strategy is, how it worked previously, what is the winning rate of this strategy. That all AI can do it for you, and also AI can suggest you what modification or what you can add in your strategy. AI can help you in that. And finally, if you are a trader but you are also a long-term investor who want to invest in fundamentally good stocks but you don't have any fundamental knowledge, now you don't have to go to CNBC channel to know what analysts are saying. Now you can take the help of AI because AI can do its own analysis without any bias and it will tell you that whether that stock is fundamentally strong or weak. So after the AI, life has become easier for many traders. And if you are not taking the help of AI in your trading, then you are lagging behind to other traders. So don't lose the edge of using AI in trading. And now, without further delay, let's go to my laptop and let us unlock the AI in trading. Okay, now let me start with the easier one. That means analyzing the chart. So for that, which AI to select? See, there are many AIs, but my favorite is ChatGPT. But there is another AI which is my favorite, that is Claude AI. Okay, this is also very good. I will use ChatGPT for this video purpose, and for this video purpose I will take today's chart, that is Nifty chart, and today's 18 July. I am recording in the live market. Suppose assume that there is a new trader and he is not able to analyze this chart whether Nifty is sideways or uptrend or downtrend. For them, what he can do is he can go here and download the image. So you can see that I have attached the Nifty chart here, which I have downloaded. And now you have to give the prompt. What I said, giving the prompt is very important. That means what you type here, because AI should understand what you are actually asking it. So now you can see that I have typed here, hi, as a trading assistant, please analyze this chart and tell me the trend, whether should I go long or short, and important levels. Let me click this and let us see what AI telling me after analyzing this chart. You can see that this is the trend analysis. It's saying that primary trend is strong downtrend, price below 20 MA, and volume spike, heavy red candle with a big volume confirms selling pressure, and it is saying that bias is bearish. So possible long trade, it is saying that not advisable as of now. So that means it is saying that there is no long trade but short trade possibility. Yes, ideally short opportunity if price rises near 24,965 or 24,980. So overall summary, it is saying that trend is strongly bearish. Look for a short entry near 24,965 or 24,980 or breakdown of 24,900. It is saying that short when price comes back to the 20 MA or around this level on a bounce, or 24,900 is around this level. So AI is telling me that if you want to short somewhere on the small bounce or short once this support is broken. So you can see that how nicely AI is giving me information that where to take long, where to take short. But anyway, For an experienced trader, this is not something big, right? As an experienced trader, you already know that when to take long, when to take short. But this is what I said, for a new trader, for them, this is how you can do the analysis of the chart with the help of AI. Okay, next one I said, you can build your own indicator, right? You can build any indicator which you can customize it. For this video example, I will show you one indicator which I want to customize. For example, you can see that this blue line is the 20 EMA. Sometimes I use 20 EMA in trading. Now I want to customize this indicator. That means instead of blue, what I want here is that whenever price is trading above it, I want this moving average color to be green, and when price trading below it, I want this indicator color to be red. I want to customize this indicator. How I can do it? For that, what you can do is first plot your indicator here. So what you can do is come here and click this here source code, and it will give you the source code. What you can do is copy this source code. Okay, you have copied it. So here you can see that what I typed here. I want you to modify this moving average indicator. I want to color code it. When price is above the EMA, make it green, and price below the 20 EMA, make it red. And here is the code. Code I told you that you have to come here from the source code. You have to copy it here. Okay, I copied it here. Come to Chat GPT and give the code to the Chat GPT, and it will give you the new code for changing the color code. And you can see that Chat GPT is typing the code here, and you can copy it here. Come to the trading view, come again to the Pine editor, and come here and type create new indicator. And whatever the code is there already, you can just delete it and come here and just paste it. And if you get any error message here sometimes, then you can take the screenshot and go back to ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to fix it. So since here there is no error, so what I can do is just type add to the chart. And now you can see that moving average has been added to the chart. Here it is. How I asked ChatGPT to change the color whenever price is above the EMA, keep it green, and price when price is trading below the EMA, keep it red. And you can see that this is how indicators changing its color code. From here to here it is green, but from here Nifty started falling below the EMA and it started changing red. Just I'm giving you one of the example here. Like that you can do whatever you want, and that is what I mean to say customizing the indicator in trading you without any coding knowledge, because you have seen that how Chat GPT was giving me all the codes, and just I had to copy it here and paste it. Okay, next one I said you can build your own strategy, right? So you can have any strategy, but for this video purpose, I'll take the example of bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing strategy. That means I want trading you to give me the indication whenever there is a bullish or bearish engulfing in the chart. And also another criteria is volume should be higher compared to last 5 days. Okay, that is my criteria for this strategy. So let us see how I can build this strategy so that I can see on the chart whenever it happens. Okay, so now let me come to the Chat GPT and let me type it here. And you can see that I've typed here, make an indicator that highlighting engulfing candles with their volume higher than last 5 candles. For bullish engulfing, current candle must be green, and for bearish engulfing, current candle must be red. And volume condition also I have already given, with the volume higher than last 5 candles, right? So now I will ask Chat GPT to give me the fine code. Okay, so you can see that now Chat GPT is typing the code for me, and I can copy it here, come to the trading view again, come to the Pine editor. Okay, come here, create new, and whatever the indicator is showing here, come here and just paste it here. So you can see that I have pasted here, and now I have to add to the chart. And you can see that directly you can see the bullish engulfing candles, bearish engulfing candles. If you change the time frame, like for 1 day to 1 hour, still you can see that irrespective of whatever the time frame, it is showing me all the bullish and bearish engulfing. And suppose you want to save that strategy, you can come here and you can mention it as a save script, and you can give whatever the name you want, and you can save it. So once you save it, next time when you go to the indicator and if you come to the personal, you can see that indicator is there, engulfing candle with the volume filter. Okay, and the next one is I said strategy analysis. Strategy analysis mean if you have any strategy, then you can ask AI that how is this strategy, whether it's good or bad, or how is the win rate, whether it needs any modification, that AI will tell you. Okay, so for this video purpose, I will ask AI about one of my favorite day trading strategy, that is initial balance strategy. Initial balance strategy means first 1 hour of the day, if initial balance is very wide, that means first 1 hour in Nifty or Bank Nifty made a very wide range, then I'll mark the high and low of the Nifty and wait for the shorting opportunity when price comes near the high of the day, near the first 1 hour high, and when it comes near the first 1 hour low, I'll try to take a long opportunity. So short opportunity here, long opportunity here. Only on the day whenever there is a wide initial balance. You can see that on this day there was a wide initial balance. So first one high and low becomes very important. That is the initial balance high and low strategy, which I already discussed in my day trading course, also in some of the videos, YouTube videos, and I hope you already know that strategy. What I'll do, I'll come to the chat GPT and ask chat GPT whether this initial balance high and initial balance low strategy, is it a good strategy or any modification required? So let us see what ChatGPT is telling me. I have given a prompt here, give me 100% honest analysis of my strategy. It is for Nifty Bank Nifty based on initial balance criteria, which I said. So I asked ChatGPT that give me honest, no nonsense answer for my strategy. That means ChatGPT I'm asking, tell me honestly. Okay, let us see what ChatGPT is telling me. Okay, so here is what AI is telling me, that strategy summary. Okay, and let us see what is good about the strategy which I discussed now. It is saying that it is based on real auction market theory. Yes, this is the concept of market profile, clear rule based system. AI is saying it's very clear rule based system, mean reversion bias after wide initial balance. Yes, that is what this strategy about, mean reversion. Risk reward is in favor. So it is saying that you are aiming for 1:2 risk reward, which is mathematically sound. Even if you win 40% of the trade, you are still profitable. So that is what we keep saying, that if you have a good risk reward of at least 1:2, 40% of win rate also enough. But it is also saying that some potential flaws and area of refinement. So it is saying that assumption that wide initial balance range day is not always true. That is true. We never say that 100% of the time this strategy work, right? Sometime if there is news sentiment or any macro news, price may break and not return on the other end. Exactly, that's what we say, that when you apply this strategy, ensure that it's not a event day. That means there is no any events in the market, any news in the market, whether positive or negative, because such days it can go in the trend and it may not respect the ranges. And what is the realistic expectation? It says that on the range days, very high success about this strategy. So initial balance strategy, AI says that range days success rate is very high. Low volatility days, it says that it may not reach 1:2. And it says that on trend days, risk of failure is high. That we also discussed, that if it's a trending day, then it is better to avoid this strategy. So that is what I discussed about the how you can ask AI to give the analysis about your strategy, so that AI will give you honest opinion without any bias, so that you can see whether your strategy is good or any modification is required. Okay, and the last one I said, you can do the fundamental analysis of any stock. You don't have to depend on CNBC analyst and all this. And AI can tell you that how fundamentally strong or weak is the stock. So for this video example, we will take some stock from US market, because as per the new SEBI rule, I can't show the any Indian stock currently trading. So that is why what I'll do, I'll go to Yahoo Finance and I'll take some US stock. For this video example, I will take Apple stock, and let us see what actually the fundamental of this stock. You can do the same thing what I'm going to do it here in Indian stocks also, but only thing is that I can't show it, so that's why I'm showing stocks from the US. Okay, take the screenshot of this. For example, if you want to know the fundamentals of the stock, take the screenshot, save it somewhere, then come to chat GPT and attach that photo. Okay, you can see that I have attached the photo here, and you can write the prompt here, give me findings based on fundamentals. And now AI will go through the fundamentals and it will tell you that how is this stock. You can see that dividends, it is giving you all the price and valuation metrics, dividend profile, market metrics, okay, volume, visibility, and it is giving you what is the 1 year target estimate. Key fundamental takeaways, it's saying that valuation is fair to slightly rich, dividend low but consistent, volatility slightly above average, liquidity extremely high, and conclusion, it is showing that Apple remains fundamentally strong, large cap with stable earning, ideal for investors seeking quality liquidity and long-term capital appreciation. So that means AI is telling that this stock, Apple stock, is good fundamentally for long-term investor. This is how within minutes or seconds you can get the fundamentals of any stocks from AI. So guys, these are the 5 important features of AI in TradingView. There are many features also, that's what I said in part 2 video. Backtesting and other things I can cover extensively. So if you like this video, then let me know in the comment section so that I can do the part 2 of this video and I can discuss more. And couple of things I want to tell you, that one is, it all depends on how you give the prompt. So that means you have to be very clear when you are giving the prompt. Sometimes you may see that AI giving incorrect information. The reason could be you have given the wrong prompt, or you have given a prompt which AI has not understood. So that is why giving prompt is very important when you are using AI. And finally, you should know that AI is a artificial intelligence. It's not a human, it's a machine, right? So that is why don't take 100% with whatever AI says. You have to have your own knowledge. Take the AI only as a trading assistant. Don't depend 100% on AI for every analysis. So that is what I wanted to discuss in this video on how to take help of AI in trading. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.